Hi, I'm Ray. Well, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. The sun is out and it's a lovely day. But I've had a text message from the allotment and it said, Ray, no time, no see. Just need to know if you still want your plot, as you don't seem to have been down for a long time and it's in need of some serious need of work. So can you let me know? So I've come down today to have a look and see what it's like. So allotments does take up a lot of time, and well, here we go. This is mine. I did put the sheet down to cover, and that's kept some of the weeds down on the plot, but look at that. That is my plot. Well, I've got my lovely polytunnel, and we can see that's overgrown too. So I've come down today to have a look and see what I want to do with a lovely rose plant, but I can't get anywhere near here. So it's looking quite embarrassing. So as we look at other plots on the site, not a lot has been done on a few of them. I'm not even sure we can find the polytunnel. It's here somewhere. It's crazy just how quick all this come out. And someone's been in my polytunnel and oops, that's not looking good. No grapes on there today. That's rather weird. Must have been far too hot. Unless they've not developed yet. Maybe they haven't developed just yet. But just a few weeks. Just not coming down. These roses are lovely, and the sweet williams. So what are we going to do? So if you're starting a new allotment, a good task is just to cut down, and then you can see what we've got. But this sheet certainly kept the weeds down, because the whole plot would have been like this. Cut my Quocosmia. So my previous visits down here, this was so wet we could hardly do anything. I'm just going to pull out these as we're dry now. Luckily these just come out. But incredible, after being so wet, it was just so wet, couldn't do anything. So I came down for a few times, just wasn't able to do anything. But it's certainly dried up now. And this is only 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun's out and it's a lovely morning. It's such a fantastic time to be up and about. Once I get into it, I get into it. So 1 hour into my stay, and I've dug this little piece of plot out, and I've cut the long grass down the edge and across the back of the polytunnel. Just got this small bed here to do, and then around the pond, and then the massive polytunnel, but it's far too hot already to go in the polytunnel, so I'm going to leave that for a rainy day. I'm sure we'll have some. Might just remove some of these tall weeds, but we're already making progress. So this is the pond that we moved from the old plot to this plot, and we had Mr. Froggy in here, so we're not sure if he still likes his weedy environment. You can see there's some snails in there. So I'm going to give this a bit of a clear. Just all the grass around the outside. There should be some lilies planted in here somewhere. Just swapping between jobs just helps break up the boredom between cutting, digging and weeding. It's good to see a bit of progress as we go. What's more pleasant than sat at the allotment in this peace and quiet on a lovely morning? It is so nice. So it's far too hot in here already at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's far too hot. So I'm just going to have to give this a miss. But it's a shame because all these seeds are going to spread all over the plot. Oh well. So I've had a go at the path, just with a pair of shears, and we planted some beetroot, and we've had a little clear. Hopefully that will pass, that we've done something. It's now 8 o'clock and the sun is absolutely boiling. So I think I decided to keep the plot. This is a good workout for me, but I have to make more of an occasion to come down. I'm not going to be doing too much this year. Just keep on top of it, keep these weeds down, and then concentrate again more next year. So thanks for sticking with me and enjoying me work hard out. Gotta get some of this down. Start getting a lot easier then. Doesn't help being in the car driving most of the day. But yeah, never mind. Here we go. But what else can you enjoy? Look, 7 in the morning. It's already warm. Nice and quiet, nice and peaceful, bees buzzing. It's a lovely, lovely way to spend a few days on the allotment, a few hours. It's so enjoyable. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, see if I get this up together. And it's you, subscribers, subscribing to my channel, making me do this. Cheers.